Alright, so here is the best way on how you can fix Grindr app ban problem. So if you are banned on Grindr, so there could be multiple reasons for that you might be impersonating or using some third-party apps. But if it's banned you for not reason, like it just randomly banned you and gave you a ban, so what you can do simply first of all is just go to your Gmail or mail, whatever mail you've used to create that account, and check the mail what's the problem, and it will show you the brief explanation on why you got banned. If it's reasonable, you can just make a new account, or if it's not, so you can do these matters to solve it. First up, you need to go to settings. Once you're inside settings, you need to go to general, and you simply need to offload the app. So just go ahead and press on iPhone storage, and right over here you need to find the app. So let me just quickly go ahead and find Grindr right over here, and here we go. Now you need to press on offload app and press on offload app. So I am not banned, but you need to press on offload app in order to do that. So the second method is very simple. What you need to do is just simply head over to your web browser, and inside your web browser you need to type in help Grindr. So Grindr in my country is banned, but if you use it directly, you can just press on submit a request option right over here, as you can see, and just press on submit a request and give them and submit them the reason that why you got banned, and you are like, you know, you shouldn't be banned for it, and you need to use Grindr because you didn't do anything bad, and you need to put in a information for that. And once this is all done, you can use Grindr after that. But if it's still not working, it's not gonna work. Just simply create a new account after that, and that is it.